Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stenography Universe. Today's general speed passage 100 WPM. Ready? Start. I am very happy to tell you the facts as to what we have done during the last 2 years. I believe and there is no doubt that what we have done during the last 2 years has been noticed by everyone in the world. It has been a great achievement which has been acknowledged as an achievement all over the world. The unity of the country has been safe. The integrity of the country has been maintained. The former Prime Minister was doing his best for the future of the country, for the image of the country here and in the world. He was acknowledged as one of the world leaders. We were all proud of him. Para. We have done something for the people. It has been praised everywhere. There are still many things to be done. There is no question of becoming complacent or self-satisfied. There is much more to be done, but we have laid the firm foundations for the economy to keep up. I am quite sure that it has already done so, and the unity of the country has been preserved and protected. Para. Now, I would like to place before you a few facts which, as enlightened people, I would appeal to you to judge for yourself. You will have to see as to what kind of economy we have in this country. Our economy has been based on certain public sector undertakings for whom the government was funding the money from the taxes collected from the poor people of India. We wanted these industries to give us returns. That is why we had calculated plan after plan that these undertakings would earn profits from the government which are to be invested back into industry. But this did not happen. We have spent crores during the last 40 years in the public sector. Para. The public sector has done us a great service by creating the atmosphere necessary for industrialization. The basic industrial atmosphere has been created by the public sector, but it has undertaken too much and too many things have been taken on with the result that it suffered losses. Many of the undertakings could not show profits that were expected of them. Now, what do? We do not have the money to go on funding the public sector. We have to continue with the public sector where the private sector cannot come out except in very exceptional areas. In all other areas where the private sector can come, we have to see that it comes in a big way and open up the economy. We have to compete with the other countries of the world. You cannot be an Iceland by yourself. You have to be self-reliant as far as possible, but at the same time, you must be able to compete with the other countries of the world and be in a position to take on the challenges as they present themselves. This cannot happen in a centralized economy. Therefore, it is necessary to open up the economy and become an integral part of the world economy. This we have tried to do. Full stop.